what is e-procurements? How he procure by email or something like that? How he is having auction and the trade of agricultural commodity, developing IT sector. I think their form, this Agri Bazaar is playing very important role to have a bridge between the farmer and the buyer. I think this is a company which is doing excellent job to have a marketing. They can purchase from the farmer at their farm, and buyer can go there and purchase the goods, and it can be it settle the price by the feel of some method. I think we can understand from him, Mr. Agarwal. Agarwal sir, what is your opinion? How your thoughts for process? How you decided to have a e-procurement auction and trades? Just we want to understand from you, sir, and to my entrepreneurs also, Mr. Agarwal.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Gupta. Thank you inviting me here. Thanks, Resurgent India. The Agri Bazaar, is this is our third, you can say, startup in last 15 years. So we started with the Star Agri, which is one of the largest agri warehousing company. We started in 2008. Then we set up a NBFC called AgriWise FinServe Limited, which is a agri fintech company. Both are doing really well. So when we are creating a network of agri warehousing across India, so we saw one opportunity where these farmers are not able to get right prices from these processors, and these processors are not able to get right produce and right quantity from the farmers. Even they don't have idea which farmer is producing what and what kind of price he wants. So therefore, all of them, all the processors are dependent on the some middlemen's, adatiyas and all. And therefore, this entire value, buying and selling value chain gets longer. So we thought, let's reduce this chain and just provide buying selling platform to the farmers as well as processors, so they both can trade online and can just make some good margin in their businesses. So we started this platform into 3 years back, roughly in 2017-18. And initially, we got very less response, but later on, like we were getting a very good response. Today platform is doing really well. We have more than 1,000 crore monthly GMV across India. Even in fact, we connected Jammu Kashmir's farmers to various traders for apples, and last year we sold more than 200 crores apple through our platform, from Jammu and Kashmir to across India. We also helped a lot of farmer in Nasik for grapes, where we connected the grape farmer to various traders in Bikaner, Kota, Amravati, various places in COVID times. So last year, if you look at our, last year, this pandemic gave us, this complete transformation, where people were dependent on physical infrastructure. They realized there is a value of digital infrastructure as well. So last year we did around 18,000 crore GMV in 12 months. And this is the one of the, you can say, market linkage solution is one of the hottest and most attractive area where we can reduce inefficiencies. We also have a lot of data when the processor is paying, when he is getting his payments from his suppliers, when he's paying to farmers, if he has some kind of working capital gap. So through our NBFC and through our banking partners, we also give loan to our processors, and we have we have internal rating systems based on data, based on their transactions. We have developed this rating system, and on through rating system we provide loans to our processors to make the payment faster to the farmers. We also develop payment platform. There is a trust deficit whenever farmer supplies any goods to any processors, or any supplier supply any goods to any buyer. So there is a trust deficit whether he will make money or not. Similarly, no buyer want to make advance payment to any supplier. Therefore we develop this payment platform called AgriPay, and entire transaction we route through this our wallet. So both parties are completely satisfied, and that they will get their money, and the other party will get the material. On receipt of material, the moment they click on the platform, they receive the money. So it's so convenient for buyer and seller, and everybody is like liking our system. Similarly, we also resolved this quality testing problem, where, like, most of the processors, they require quality reports. So that we have this through mobile image, we analyze the foreign matters and other quality aspect, and we give the report online to our buyers, so they can make right decision at the time of doing transaction on the platform, what kind of price they want to pay. So accordingly, they can pay according to the lab reports, they can pay. So this is the thing which we are doing, and we are also providing, you can say, end-to-end solution through our warehouses. We have warehouses, we have across around 800 warehouses across India. If any farmer is not getting right price, so he can deposit the goods in our warehouse. We can generate warehouse receipt. We have tie with all the banks, including UCO, Indian Bank, and they can avail warehouse receipt finance at 7% from any bank, and just wait for the just right price to sell. So our mission is to increase farm productivity and this profitability and productivity. So what we are doing for productivity, most of the buyers, they are ready to pay premium prices, but they want traceability data. Like the farmer, this particular farmer use what kind of fertilizer, what kind of seed, and they want actually crop history. So now our mission is to provide crop history to every single trade to our buyers, so the farmer can get the premium price. So through satellite imagery and through tie-up of various startup, those who are working with in this space, we are getting data, and we are just providing traceability data to our buyers. Not only buyers, we also provide our services to bankers. Like if their banks requires what kind of production this particular farmer will have, so based on that they can enhance their small KCC limits and all. So we provide this data services to bankers also. So I think this as Mr. Mathur said,
Yeah,
this
very nicely
next 10
said,
years
Mr.
is
Agarwal.
for
Agarwal,
agri.
just a point is, you
Yes.
from a satellite image, you can give a quality of the produce, and you can certify the quality of the crops or the apple what you're talking about, and your report is acceptable to the buyer.
Yes, so through satellite images, we do two things. One is a yield estimation, and second is what kind of crop is coming, whether is it damaged or not, whether what kind of it's has a weather effect or other effect. So these reports are it's a data point for us to provide the estimate to the buyers, what kind of quality they are going to get.
My point, sir Agarwal, is that only your report, on the basis of your report, the buyer is accepting the price, and accepting they are quoting the price to the farmers. No, I think this is a very innovation things what you are doing it. If it is happening, I think the farmer is benefited and buyer is also benefited to that extent, because the farmer need not to go to the mandis, and the buyer will go straightway and take out the goods from there only. I think this is it is your company in India is doing it, or some other company also doing, sir?
So in India, like as Mr. Mathur said, 1,000 startups, agri startups are working in various areas. So I think many of the startups are working. India is a large country, so it's not possible for them
That's
to
why I'm asking you.
cover all the, yeah.
First
But
concept
for
is,
ourselves, so we are doing this business in food grains, oil seeds, and in selected fruits like grapes and apples in Kashmir.
okay. You also talking about input and seed supply, something like that. That is also certified. Who is manufacturer of the seed? Seed is manufactured by your firm, or you are purchasing, then you are supplying to the people farmers, sir?
So we are into services. We don't produce ourselves, and we have type with the seed companies and pesticides companies. So we get material from them, and then we supply it to our farmers partner, or our agri entrepreneurs.
Sir, you have something view for the procurement and funding of these materials? Once we procure the material, when he purchase it, now the farmer require the money So as a NBFC, you are lending them or bank is lending these people?
So both way, we have both products. One is like, if any processors who is buying and he's unable to pay, or he wants to pay after 7 days because of processes, so that working capital gap we fill through our NBFC.
Very nice.
Secondly, if any farmers, he has, some requirement, and if he fits in our criteria, then we, fund through an NBFC. So today, like, we are working with this pulses farmers, where we take their offtake. We are 100% sure that, they are going to get this crop, and we have certain buyers, and so we give them complete financing.